It takes time to love your baby. Yes. It takes time to build a very strong bond with that little baby the doctor has just given to you. So calm down.
Like, look at how bright it is. This is actually 4:58 and it's this bright. Like this is bright by this time of the day, but I cannot wake up by this time, so I'm going to see you guys at the right time because somebody's supposed to wake up. So for now, I have to make sure that everywhere is dark. Yeah. Oh yeah, it blinds out. It does the job. See ya in the morning. This is an ungodly hour.
Welcome back to the normal time. People of God are supposed to wake up. Yeah, people of God are supposed to wake up. Welcome back. Good morning. Good morning, my neighbors. How are you doing? How are you doing, my neighbor? Yes, so let's prep for Sunday dinner. Yeah, we prep in the morning and get all that so that we're chilled in the day. Now, hear me out. Can we just normalize that it takes time for a mother and a newborn child to form that strong bond? Sometimes it takes weeks, sometimes days, sometimes minutes. Most times mothers go through traumatic experience that they are still in shock by the time they're giving their newborn babies. And the whole world expects them to be like, oh, she's such an air in my lungs. Oh, he's the life I live. And there's, yeah, we have that bond, but it's just like meeting a stranger. You know when your instincts see this person, like, I feel like I'm going to like this person, but because the person is still a stranger, I'm still getting to know you, just getting used to the whole feeling of like, this is now my new person. And don't get me wrong, when that bond comes, it cannot be broken. Like you two are two peas in a pod. But let us just normalize this, that feeling of I'm still getting to know this new human. I'm still getting to know this little person that I don't know, that feeling, that overwhelming love and bond that the media just push out, and sometimes is not how it is. So for the new moms out there, for the expectant moms out there, if this happens to you, don't beat yourself. That love is going to come. You're going to build that bond, and the bond is going to be tighter than paradise. You understand? But in that moment, take your time. Some of us went through traumatic experience during delivery, so it's not like expecting you to just snap back and being all lovey-dovey, you know, is not the way to go. So take your time. It takes time for you to build love and connection. So take your time to build that love, that strong bond with your little ones. It doesn't make you a bad mom. It doesn't make you less of a mom. And hear me, draw your ear. Don't let another woman use her experience to invalidate your own experience. You understand me? Drag your ear. So see ya. Let's go to church.
10-20 minutes early to church, so but let's go grab the best seat. We have a favorite chair, so let's go and grab it before they come. Yes, let's go to our favorite seat.
Neither is it one to see that you should sin. You will go over the sea for us and bring it to us.
So we're done with church. We're done with our date with Baba J. Yeah. So let me go home and chop. I'm hungry. And does any other person have a toddler named Subuna at church? Like they just whenever they get to that church door or wherever you take them to, and then they will change it for you. Eh? Am I the only one?
Like someone tell me I'm not the only one, because this is becoming unbecoming. Like whenever she gets there, she changes. She wants to run around, play, and the rest. I ain't got no time to be chasing you around. Just came back and had to rush and eat. Hungry. Make I roast chop. I told you this sauce is the bomb. People are doubting me. Try it out. Try it out. I hope people can hear my madam's voice. Make her chop first. Let me have energy for her. For now, I don't have energy. A hungry man is an angry man. Let's go change and see what next we have for the day. Yep, let's go change. Let's unbox curries. So, let me give a plate. Before you can buy something, you go to the website and check if they're running a sales, for example. Because the first time I went to check out these laptops, you know, check the prices. Just like, look at it. What's the word for it? Window shopping, you know, just checking it out, knowing the price difference, you know, seeing physical laptops to see the ones that were preferred. The prices for this laptop was actually £499. And then, you know, there was another one, a larger memory capacity, basically the same thing, but just a larger memory capacity. And that was for 620 something. Now, guess what? A few days after, I was just going online. I was like, okay, let me just check the websites. And they're doing sales. And the sales is like £100 less. Imagine, £100 less. So I just had to call online, you know, so I can keep track of these sales. So I can, you know, enjoy my own Awoof and discount. Because you know, I love Awoof. I don't like to buy things for full price when there can be discounts for sales. Say yes, and we got this beauty. Oh, yeah, we got this beauty. I love it. Like, it's so portable. It's touch screen. You know, the processor is very fast. And then it's a 360 HP 360 pavilion, I guess. So you can convert it to a tablet. This is what I love most. Yeah, you can convert it to a tablet. Then you can flip it over to the laptop. So it's very, you know, small, lightweight. This can just fit into your tote bag and you're good to go. So yes, I'm going to try to charge that up. Okay, it came with the charger. And then for crazy, we're also doing sales for the antivirus. Yeah, so and then Microsoft Office. So instead of paying for £85 for Microsoft Office for a year, they're giving a discount for like £65, I guess, with 2 years free antivirus protection. So the discount was discounting. Yes, it was discounting. So if you want to get a gadget, check if it's on sales. Like maybe when you check the actual price, you know, give it some time, some weeks, and then go back again, keep checking online to see if you're going to get some kind of sales. But I love this. Like, I love this. So let me charge this up and then we'll set it up. So yeah, this is for this. And the next one. So this is kids rubber bands for their hair. I have this particular shop I shop from Amazon, but there's not out of stock for their rubber bands. Like it really lasts, not these ones that you buy once you use to make your baby's hair and it keeps on snapping. And I hope, this one seems strong. It looks strong for now. I don't know. I'll try it out and then I'm going to say it's like 1,000 inside here, which is going to last for like a very long time. And it's for £3 something. So we're going to use this for some months. I like the packaging, the way it comes and everything. Yep, I love the way it comes in this pack. Very cute. Yep. Then this is a car auxiliary cord or something like that. Now we went to Corizo to check this out, and they were calling £29 thereabouts for this. And me, I said no, don't worry. You're giving me bargain for this one. No, let me go and find another place that will also give me a good bargain. You understand? So the fact that they give you one bargain for this one does not mean that you have to buy everything there. So you can get a good deal and then go to another place and get another good deal. You get? So don't feel, you know, guilty like, oh, I got this bag and let me just buy everything here. Don't do that too. Don't do that here. So I got to Amazon and something that they were selling for £29 for the auxiliary cord, and then for this one it was like a £16 or £17. So I got this for £8. And then this one was basically, the auxiliary cord was basically £4. But you know, people are saying like, oh, this might not be the original, blah 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 blah. It will not last forever. And with that £29, girl math, if I keep buying, let's say 6 months, it might still last longer, you understand? So girl math, I don't use it every day, and yeah, it still works. So this for £8. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me charge the laptop and send it up so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, stay. It's so lightweight, like I love this. Hey mama, no 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 no. 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 So yeah, I'm going to finish setting this up and everything, and yeah, add the Microsoft scratch this and activate this too. Yep, and see you. Yeah.
No more. My tired is getting tired as at this point. So see me marketing and advertising for HP. HP, I've been doing your thing for you. But yeah, I just love the laptop and I'm going to get put you guys on a good deal on a good bargain. I don't really care, yeah. So now I have someone I'm making her hair, we're in the business of making you look fly, making you look beautiful. So yes, I'm doing braids this Sunday all in one day. You understand? But trust me, once you come for your braids, I'm going to keep you entertained. Just tell me the kind of movies you love. And trust me to go bring them out in folds. Like I'm going to give you the least banging movies back to back to back to back to back. Like you're going to be entertained. You won't even know how long you've spent here. So I took my time. Her hair is really short and slippery. So I had to go for knotless braids, grabbing that hair and the rest. Like I did my thing, if I do say so myself. So yes, drop that in the comment section if you want to have your braids done. Don't sleep on this deal. So we watched a whole lot of Nigerian movies because she had a lot she wanted to see. So I just had to recommend some more. The suspense, some that she saw she was so crazy. Like, yes, I'll do that for you. I will keep you entertained in my chair. And if you want to learn how to make knotless braids, this is for you. Just play it slowly and you're going to understand it. So I had to, play this in real time so that you can also learn how to do it. Like they say, practice makes perfect. We're rolling. I'm still keeping her entertained. We're gisting, all fun. You know, you have to keep you entertained. Like that's why your real. Like this is supposed to be relaxation for women. So when you come here, you relax, you chill. Yeah, that's it. So we're almost rounding up here and doing our thing. We're mixing up two colors. Yeah, an ombre of black and purple and an ombre of black and red. So yeah, but dark colors, dark purple, dark red kind of thing. She wanted more natural tone, so that's what we're doing. And we're just watching movies back to back. Fame and Fury by Bimbo Adeyemi. She was so mad. Like the first guy that she dated in that movie, she was like, get out of it, get out of it, get out of it. I was like, calm down. The suspense is not yet done. When she moved over to the second guy, that's Ora Uzaruki, that she dated, the second guy that she did, she was like pissed. But yeah, hear her call her
Mommy,
parents and say, the praise is
you're
eating
back
when they
home.
just call their family
Oh,
back
see my
home to see their hair.
hair.
Yeah. So now we're all done. I had to help her put it in the pony because our girlies have to work, so we're going to be back to work. And as at this time, Agoro has been showing me Shege Banza because if you can remember, it's that food that I ate that time. Mjana Agoro did that time Patra church. You remember that food that I had when I just came back from church that I was eating like someone that's not eating in how many days? Eh? That is the food. Like I was exhausted, my tide was tired. So decided to go into the kitchen. Remember, that's meat that we marinated, that gizzard that we marinated in the morning. Yes, that was supposed to be like some sort of a Sunday treat, something to relax and munch on. So I just had to quickly pop that into the oven. So yes, this is a very simple recipe. Marinate your gizzard with pepper mix, paprika, curry, ginger, garlic, whatever you want to marinate it. Then cut your veggies, and then just put your veggies in the skewers. You put the meat, you put the veggie you want, put the skewer, like just like that barbecue format. That's serene, right? Just put that pop that in your oven for 30 40 minutes, 150 degrees. And I had to go on and marinate, like, added a bit of oil and pepper mixed with paprika just for the color and more seasoning on it. Rub that on top. The way you rub that in my suya recipe, the way you would do that, just rub that on top and then pop that in the oven. Easy peasy. But you see this? Just count how many we have on this tray. Count to go there. It's just for it will make sense. My lord, it will make sense in the future. Just count it and then you see how many remaining when we brought it out of the oven. Apparently, someone was helping us check for salt, check for seasoning while they were still in the oven. So yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So we had this for dinner and from my face, you should know that the day is over. He can't go. Daughter of Zion is tired. Just need to rest my legs. Don't worry, my next vlog, I am going to show you this new compression massage stuff that I used to massage myself whenever I stand on my feet for so long. So yes, it works if it's after surgery or whatever. I'm going to put you guys on the tea. I'll show you guys the real deal. Yeah, just look at how yummy that is looking. Look at that. Now, pop that in the oven. I had to go shower, relax, refresh, and before you know it, it's out. And look at how many came out of the oven. Just negodi. Look at how many is remaining by the end. One bye. See you in my next one.